Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification in one of the central university. The last date to apply this one is the 3rd July 2020. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Maulana Azad National Urdu University and the website to enter into this one is manuu.edu.in. So it is the web link to enter into the official website of the Central University. And after entering into this website, here you just scroll down in the announcements block. Here you can see the employment notification for engagement of guest faculty assistant professor on contract basis. So just click on that one, then you will be directed to one PDF which is having the details regarding this notification. It's a requirement of guest faculty or assistant professor on contract basis, so it is purely on the temporary basis only for various departments. So coming to the departments here, cities, the locations are also given here. Subject is education, number of posts are 15, so based upon the caste category also they divided the posts. And second one is the directorate of distance education, economics, Urdu, environmental studies, zoology, English, commerce. So these are all the different vacancies. And coming to the department of economics, political science, and satellite campus in Lucknow, Islamic studies. So these are the posts. And coming to the qualification, postgraduate with minimum 55% of marks must be there. And the post graduation degree in education, MEd or MA in education with minimum 55%. So apart from this one, UGC NET qualification in the particular discipline must be there, NET, SLET or SET. So if this NET, SLET or SET is not there, then the PhD must be mandatory. So these are all the educational qualifications. And coming to the Urdu, environmental science, zoology, English, commerce, political science, and Islamic studies, the qualifications are given here. That is, master's degree with 55%, and the NET or SLET must be there. And coming to the monthly remuneration, it is not exceeding the 50,000 rupees per month, and the age limit is below 35 years. And so here, the candidates fulfilling the above qualification shall submit the filled-in application form along with the copies of required documents, resume, experience certificates, proof of knowledge of Urdu, valid caste certificate, and passport size photograph through speed post or courier on or before 3rd July 2020. So here the address is also given here. So to this address you have to send the post, and whoever the shortlisted candidates are there, the shortlisted candidates will be interviewed. There is no written test and all. So applicants are advised to visit university website for the list of shortlisted candidates. And here the application form is given here, so you have to fill up this application form. So definitely the knowledge of Urdu must be there for all the posts. So please be aware about that point. Even though if you are having the qualification regarding this all these disciplines, the knowledge of Urdu must be there, right? So it is update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. So if your friends or colleagues looking for the same opportunity, please share this video to them. And for more updates, please subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.